Hello, I'm going to show you how to do the Feelings on My Mind activity. Your first step is to think about how you've been feeling lately. So you're going to look over here at the word bank and pick out some different feeling words that show how you've been feeling. For me, I think I'm going to start with happy. I'm going to click the word and drag it over here to the line. I'll do silly, click and drag, calm, a little frustrated, and sad. Now, if you don't see a feeling word to describe how you're feeling, you can also come down here to the bottom where it says type here, and you can type right in that box to add a different feeling word. Once you have your feelings on the line, the next step is to think about a color that goes with each feeling. So when I think of happy, I think of bright yellow. I'm going to click that box and drag it right on top. For silly, I'll do that lime green. Calm, I'll do this light teal. Frustrated, I'm going to do red. And sad, I'm going to do this dark blue. Now I have a color that matches each feeling word. The next step is to think about how much of each feeling I've been having lately. I recommend starting with the feeling that you feel the most of. For me, I think I'm feeling a lot of calm today, and I use the color teal for the word calm. So I'll come over here on the left, and I'm going to use these stars to show how much of each feeling I have on my mind. I can click on the star and drag it right over to the mind. Now I said I have a lot of calm, so I'm going to use a lot of these teal stars. You can put a lot of them in the space, or you can even drop one in and change the size. So let's say I want to show a lot of calm like this, and I can make a bigger star. Now let's think about what other feelings I have. I have some happy today too, so I'm going to put in a little bit of yellow to show that I've got some happiness. I have just a little bit of silliness. I'm going to drop a green star over here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just a little bit of silly. I do have some sad today, so I'm going to put in some of this darker blue. And I have just a tiny bit of frustrated, so I'm going to put just one red to show that I'm just a little bit frustrated too. You're going to keep going and fill up the whole mind to show how much of each feeling you've been experiencing lately. Have fun!